What's up guys, this is Lativa's Python tutorial. Today I'm gonna talk about the operators. There are many kinds of operators, includes arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical, bitwise, assignment, identity, and membership operators. And they are the symbols of these operators. At first, I'm gonna talk about arithmetic operators. As you can see, in white blocks, there are the symbols of arithmetic operators, and the meaning includes subtract, multiply, divide, modulus, float, division, and exponents. And they are expressions of arithmetic operators in program. Alright, let's demonstrate the arithmetic operators. For example, 1 add 2 equals 3, and 4 subtract 2 equals 2, and 2 multiply 3 equals 6, and 9 divided by 2 equals 4.5, and 9 modulus 2 equals 1. Why this is 1? Because the floor division of 9 divided by 2 is 4 and remainder is 1. So we can see the floor division of 9 divided by 2 is 4. And 2 squared equals 4, and 2 cubed equals 8, and 2 to the power of 10 equals 1024. Alright, let's take a look at comparison operators. Comparison operators are usually used in if condition. And we can see the white blocks are the symbol of comparison operators. And the meanings includes greater than, less than, equal to, and so on. Alright, let's demonstrate the comparison operators. For example, we set an if condition A equals 10 and B equals 100. If A equals B, print Lativa. Else print you have to type the password again, and we execute it. Alright, you can see the computer output. Sorry, you have to type password again. Both A is 10 and B is 100. So A does not equals to B. So the if conditions equals false, and the program does not execute this statement, but else statement. Alright, let's take a look. Logical operator. For example, x equals true and y equals false, and we type x and y, and we got false. This is like the concept of intersection, and we type x or y, and we got true. This is the concept of union, and we type not x, executed false, and not y, true. Alright, today we have talked about arithmetic operators and comparison and logical operators, and I will talk about the other kinds of operators in next episode. If you like this video, please click thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.